Hey guys, what's going on? It's Riley here with Canadian Dividend Investing, and welcome to episode 40 of my Wealthsimple Trade Challenge, where we try to grow the non-registered account to $55,000 in the first year of investing. As you can see, unfortunately, we did not make our goal. We're at $46,792. We're up $5,071 or 12.15% all time, which is absolutely incredible. Very happy about that. Unfortunately, we didn't meet our goal. A couple of different reasons. Again, I've kind of explained this in separate videos or previous videos that I did, but we spent most of the first couple weeks / month of the year trying to max out our registered accounts, which I would definitely recommend for you guys as well. Definitely max out those registered accounts before diving into something like a non-registered account. We did miss a couple weeks as well, but for the most part, we were fairly consistent. So we have another $1,000 to play with in the portfolio. We'll go through the charts here quick and then dive right into it. So in the past day, it's actually down $350, so great time to pick up more shares. In the past week, I don't believe it's loaded yet, or it was actually $0, which is pretty crazy. In the past month, we're up 609. In the past 3 months, 1,400. In the past year, we're up 5,000. Like I said, $71. I believe we started this account October 5th or so, and right now it's the 1st of October. But as I post this video, it'll be about the 5th as well. So crazy how fast a year passes. Some great gains with the account, so no complaints whatsoever. But let's continue doing what we've been doing, and that would be dollar cost averaging VFV into the portfolio. So we're going to be buying max shares here into the non-registered account. Perfect. And stay tuned, guys. Just because this series is over doesn't mean that that's what we're going to finish off with. We're going to be doing a whole other series after. You got a quick glimpse of my full portfolio there. Again, every 6 months I do a deep dive into my portfolio and show you all of my different accounts and the different holdings involved. So yeah, so what we'll be doing next is diving into the crypto account. I'm going to be making a couple more crypto buys today, so stay tuned for that, and we'll check back in 2 seconds. So here's the crypto account. It is up to $3,192. We're up $529 or 19.89% all time. Just going through the charts here quick. Past hour, again, crypto, as you probably already know, is very, very volatile. So there's going to be lots of ups and downs throughout. Past 24 hours, we're down 75. Past week, down 100. Past month, up 160. Past 3 months, down 480. And past year, up 415. So lots of volatility within crypto. We're going to be buying Bitcoin as well as Ethereum into the portfolio. Again, we've been dollar cost averaging about $50 each. So we'll continue to do so. And just to give you guys a little bit of a preview of what's up, I'm actually going to be using a new trading platform. So with a new update next week, just to kind of give you guys a little bit of a teaser, I'm going to be buying with a new trading platform. So stay tuned for that. Very excited about that as well. And unfortunately, and I'll explain this maybe in the next video, I would still continue to use Wealthsimple. There's absolutely nothing wrong with Wealthsimple. I love Wealthsimple. The current account that I'm opening with the new portfolio, unfortunately, isn't available with Wealthsimple. So if it ever becomes available, I'll definitely switch it over. But for the time being, just to give you guys a little bit of heads up, I'm going to be starting a new series starting next week using a new platform to trade on, which is pretty exciting. So before I let you guys go, we're going to jump over to the Blossom account to see how much in dividends the full portfolio has been accruing. And that's what we'll finish off with today. Again, end of this series, episode number 40. So again, we'll check back in. Here's the Blossom app, guys. As you can see, we're in the Dividend Forecast tab. You can only get this with the Blossom Pro version, so go download if you haven't already. Blossom Social down below. It's an amazing social investing app, and you can see all my trades in real time. So annually, we are making $3,725 on a monthly basis, $310 and on a daily basis with a portfolio similar to mine. This is including registered as well as non-registered accounts. You will be making about $10.21. That is at about a 2.5% APR or so. So thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for tuning into the series. Really appreciate every single one of you. Stay tuned next week for our new series using our new platform, a little bit of a teaser, and we'll go from there. So thank you guys so much again, and happy investing.